Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will write a program that will convert the given feet value of 3.5 feet, and then it will convert into centimeter equivalent and display the results on the screen. So we will call our program feet to centimeter in TypeScript. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Without you guys, my channel will not grow, our channel, and then it also motivates me to continue making videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my two websites for free. Okay, so we have here a problem. Write a program that will convert the given feet value of 3.5 feet into centimeter equivalent and display the results on the screen. So we have here the solution. So we have several comments here, and then I declare a variable var feet, and then I give a value of 3.5. To convert into centimeter, I declare another variable. Let cm stands for centimeter equals feet multiplied by 30.48. Now, in order for us to display the computed value of centimeter, we have that has two decimal places. I declared again the third variable, 2 underscore decimal equals cm dot to fix 2. 2 means 2 decimal places. Console log the title of our program, feet to centimeter in TypeScript. Feet plus feet centimeter is equals to 2 underscore decimal, okay, centimeters, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Okay, so let us go with our Visual Studio Code editor so that we can execute our program. To run a program in TypeScript, first we have to compile it. In the command line, tsc TypeScript compiler space feet underscore cm.ts. Press the enter key. Let us wait for the compiling process to take place. Okay, now there is a file that is generated, feet underscore cm.js. It is already a JavaScript code. Okay, it's almost the same. So node to run feet underscore cm.js. Okay, so our program is running right now. Feet to centimeter in TypeScript, 3.5 feet. The centimeter we have a wrong spelling here. Equivalent is 106.68 centimeters. Okay, so that's it guys. Now we have already done creating a program feet to centimeter in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.